topic for this lesson is repeat pattern in textile designs. Repeat pattern in textile designs are used in fabric production. That is, they are used to make wrappers, and in turn, wrappers are used to make clothes that we wear. And they are also used to create different designs on fabrics. These repeat patterns are created from natural objects such as fruits, parts of plants, or inanimate objects, as well as simple geometric shapes. So we can get idea of our designs from our immediate environment. Your designs must not be complex, rather your designs should be simple and creative. Patterns are created from motif, and the motif is the basic single element of a design. So we repeat motifs severally on a surface to form a pattern. So pattern is gotten from the several repetition of a motif. Repeat pattern could also mean the repetition of different elements of design. That is, you combine different elements of design to make an artwork, and some of these elements of design, they include line, shapes, tone, textures, form, and so on. So in combining these elements of design, we get a complete artwork. So now look at your screen, you would observe that we have different shapes there, and the shapes are made up of what? Lines. After repeating your motif on your surface, there's something else you need to do. You need to apply color to make it beautiful and appealing to the eyes. And again, we have different types of repeat pattern. That is the pattern with which we repeat our motif on our surface. We have mirror repeat pattern, we have half drop repeat pattern, we have full drop repeat pattern, we have block repeat pattern, we also have half drop repeat pattern. Now we're going to discuss the different types of repeat pattern. The first I have here is mirror repeat pattern. Mirror repeat pattern is achieved when motifs used are facing each other. That is, facing each other at the same point. Just like when you look at the mirror, you get to see an image of you directly facing you. So this is also applicable to mirror repeat pattern. After severally repeating our motif, we have this as our mirror repeat design. Look at this design very well. You would observe that 4 stars are facing each other. This is the idea of mirror repeat pattern. Another type of repeat pattern is half drop. Half drop is a form of repeat pattern that motifs are repeated in such a way that each one lies halfway down one next to it. On your screen now, you would observe how the demarcation line is being ruled. A demarcation line guides us when repeating our motif. In the middle of our first motif, you would observe that we have another motif halfway also going down. So this is how we make half drop repeat pattern. We also have quarter drop repeat pattern. Quarter drop repeat pattern is a bit similar with half drop repeat pattern. In quarter drop repeat pattern, the motif is dropped halfway down the previous one. In quarter drop repeat pattern, the demarcation line for the second column is drawn almost half the first column. And thereafter, we'll start placing our unit design, also known as motif, to make our pattern. Here are some samples of pattern designs. The type of repeat pattern used for this design is mirror repeats.